Hello to day 2 of daily weather. I'm Jackson, and we have two things to talk about today. One of them is this Dallas storm. We don't have any warnings today, so no flash floods, no severe thunderstorm warnings, but I think that will change today. I might go live today. Woo! I might go live today. We have some reports by some people, like this guy. He said there was some rain over here, which makes sense because there kind of was. And let's get into it. So, there was, these were the things I was talking about yesterday. They were over here, some spotted showers, and then they moved over here, and then they're gonna go down there. I'm not too worried about this one. That one won't do anything, really. The one I am worried about is, this one. But it is like that stuff is gonna, all this stuff is gonna get, like, cut off. That might grow a little, but then go. I'm not that worried about these storms either. Yeah, I'm not that worried about those storms down there. And then we have a big storm over here. It doesn't look that big, but this is huge. Yeah. Stretching from Maine to, is that, Massachusetts? Yeah. Okay, that's New York, that's Vermont. Or is that Vermont? I don't know. I'm not going to get into the details. So yeah, I'm not really worried about this stuff because all of this is going into the Atlantic. I mean, Boston, if you... Yeah, this is just going to die down when it hits the water. So, we don't really have anything to talk about today. I mean, I might go live today because some of this might grow. Like the storms down here, these might grow. Like the stuff down here might grow. Yeah, so the stuff down here, how long is the storm? 80 miles. Yeah, that's pretty long. And then, the storms connected are, I don't know why there's a blue dot there. Oh, that's my thing. Okay. Yeah, no, if this storm moves fast, hold on, let me see this. They're moving at the same pace, okay. Let's look at velocity real quick. Yeah, I'm not too worried about any of these. Maybe something right there, but I highly doubt it. If we go back to, yeah, I'm not really worried about that. Maybe the stuff down here, but not really. Because all that's gonna move out pretty quick that way. And if there wasn't something called already, there's not gonna be something called right now. So, yeah, I'd be chill. There's just gonna be rain down here. There might be some hail too. I'm gonna switch to another thing real quick. Now we're going to be looking at outlooks on weatherwise.app. So we will go down the list. There will just be a few storms here and there. See, this is why we need to go live, maybe. Because, I didn't show this, but I will in a little bit. There are storms up there in Canada, up there. And they are going to be moving downwards to here. Okay? You're probably like, oh, okay. Well, that won't happen for a few days. Well, let's look at day 2. Yep, it's going down. It will keep going down. it would keep going down. So right now they're up here, like near Calgary, Edmonton, that area. They're in Alberta right now. They're going to move down from Alberta to Montana, North and South Dakota, and hold on, let me see this real quick. Oh, they already moved it down. So right now, they are here. You're probably like, oh, these aren't going to be that big. Trust me, they will get huge. These are going to get monstrous. I bet we do have a small tornado. Yeah. 2% risk. Yeah, I'm not that worried about that, though. I mean, there could be a... Honestly... Hold on, let me look at this again. If... Hold up, this could actually be a monster. This could be a monster, people. This might definitely be a monster. Hold on, let me play this. This is going up. Okay. Let's go back to the outlooks. Wind. Yeah, there's going to be some wind. Maybe a damaging wind at sometimes. There. You have some hail. So basically, if you're in this area, then right there, that's going to be the hardest hitting area, because you have wind, you have hail, you have a tornado threat, and I'm going to go down to thunderstorms, and you have a lot of thunderstorms. There's a whoa, I cannot talk. 40% hatched risk. Near these areas. I told you these storms are gonna just die down. That's actually accurate. Just some Florida storms down here. Nothing to be really worried about. Florida will be used to those storms, you know. And then, yeah, that's really it. So, you guys have a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow for the daily. Okay, well, I'm gonna actually do one more thing. Sorry about that. We have a lot of rain coming this way too. 1.5, 2, yeah, about 1.5, 2 inches of rain. I wouldn't be too worried though. And all this stuff, if you're near like the Boston area, this is all in the Atlantic. So maybe that could cause some flooding on the coast, but I wouldn't be too worried. Today is alarming, but tonight is going to be even more alarming, trust me. I might go live tonight, actually. So, keep subscribing, keep posted, and we'll see. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.